Hello, I'm Adam Barralet and welcome to this Crystal Connections video where we're exploring the crystal Orange Calcite. Calcites are found plentifully around the world in a range of whole different colours. Now when you get a raw piece of calcite, you'll notice that it feels waxy or soapy. And what do we use soap for? For washing or cleansing away. And so calcites are really good for cleansing and clearing away energy, and depending on their colour is where we would use it. Now orange is found in various places in large masses around the world, and it's connected with the Baltic sun god called Saule. Now it's believed that he will ride his chariot across the sky, and he helps us shed this orange calcite everywhere, which helps us to overcome the cold of the winter solstice. So we're going to look at how you can use orange calcite to shed what you don't want, to cleanse and clear away, and to bring that fiery solar energy that's associated with orange calcite. Orange calcite helps us to cleanse away anything that's stopping us from forming closer and more intimate relationships. If you want a friendship to become deeper and more connected, then have orange calcite. Either wear it, gift it to your friend, or have it around the space wherever your friends are hanging out. It also helps to clear away any guilt or trust issues that have stopped us from maybe stepping forward into being fully invested in any kind of relationship, whether that be a family one, a friendship one, or a romantic one. It can also help to rekindle love that's kind of been a bit lost. Maybe love has dissolved over the years that you've been together and you want to bring that back up, or you've come back into a relationship with an old flame. This will help to bring that fieriness back into it as well. It's really good in later life as well. If you're feeling a bit like, oh, I can't be bothered looking for love any longer, orange calcite will help to fan those flames of passion and help you be really enthusiastic and dive into new relationships. Being connected to the sun, orange calcite is also associated with happiness. It can really help to bring happiness more into your life, especially if you tend to work a lot. It's really good at helping you to find balance between business and pleasure. So this could be having a work-life balance, but also kind of being sociable and nice to people that you maybe work with or have business arrangements with, and get that balance quite nice there. It also gives you time to kind of find pleasure in life and to really relax. So if you tend to be really uptight and always thinking about work when you can't, when you're not even at work, then orange calcite would be a good one for cleansing away those unhelpful thoughts at the time. In fact, often what stops us from being happy is different things that we believe we should have or we need to have, and then we'll be happy. Try just sitting quietly and see how you actually feel, and a lot of the time you'll find at the core of what we are, we're happy. And if there is anything that's standing in the way of the happiness, then orange calcite can be really good for clearing that away. Okay, so let's talk about sex. Orange calcite's really great for that as well. It helps to get rid of any shyness or timidness. Maybe if it's been a while since you've, been adventurous in the bedroom, then orange calcite would be a great one to have. Wear it in your pocket to kind of give you that confidence and to overcome any shyness. It can also be planted around the bedroom to bring in that fertility. It's a great fertility crystal, as well as bringing that kind of connection between two loving people. Pop it near an orange candle, or a white candle, or even some red candles, something that's got a bit of passion and fieriness to it, and that'll help to bring that connection even deeper. When it comes to the sacral chakra, I would use orange calcite if it's overactive. Now when it's overactive, these people tend to be oversharers, they share too much, they're relying on pleasure from external sources. If that happens to be you or someone else that you know, then orange calcite would be really good. It helps to clear away that reliance on other people for pleasure and to find your own true, authentic happiness and satisfaction. It can also help you to be more creative as you stop relying on other people as well. So if you need a bit of creativity from the sacral chakra, then try working with your orange calcite as well. Orange calcite is also renowned for having a bit of an abundance property to it. And thus, as we start to be more creative and find different ways to be financially abundant, calcite will be there to help us all the way. Before you do any major working with your orange calcite, it's a really great idea to cleanse it. And because it has such a solar energy to it, pop it out in the sun, either at sunrise or sunset for a few hours to bring it back to its natural balance. Now you can also take a holistic approach, bringing in other energies that resonate with your orange calcite. Now when it comes to animals, I like to work with the robin. The robin is he's a very bold and orange coloured bird, and he's very sings out loudly, and he's not scared to ask for what he wants in a relationship, and he's very helps us to express what we want as well. He helps to improve communication, and as we improve communication, that obviously improves our relationships. Now essential oil wise, this is a great one to work with orange because it's got that joy and that happiness, and as does orange. Think about when you smell orange, how do you feel? Happy! And so orange calcite resonates really nicely with that as well. Being associated with the sun, it is power day, is Sunday, and this is the best day to do your major workings with orange calcite. Now, have you worked with orange calcite before? I'd love to hear about your experiences, as would the rest of our nature-loving community. So please leave a comment in the section below, sharing how you've used it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Barralet. Blessed be.